What's going on, man? It's Texas Wild Boy checking in. Back with another video. I'm kind of switching it up today, though. So, I don't know if y'all know too well, but I do enjoy bass fishing a lot. You know what I'm saying? A lot. You know what I'm saying? So, ever since I was younger, bro, I've been coming down here to this creek, Spring Creek, where Spring Creek meets Cypress Creek. Coming down here when the water's shallow and it's kind of deep. Not deep, I'd say like 3-4 feet up against the edge of the water. You know what I'm saying? To try to catch some nice bass up out of here. You know what I'm saying? So that's the goal today. I got my Berkeley rod, my Berkeley lightning rod on my lose reel, spinning reel. Nothing too crazy. But I like this setup. For some reason, this cork, I love that cork. Actually, let me get in the light so I can show y'all a little bit better what I'm talking about with this cork. Ooh, wait. All right. This cork right here. I love that cork. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a whole bunch of little bait fish in here. And that's what I'm gonna start off using today. A little shad. It's supposed to mimic a shad. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be wading through the water. I'm gonna be on that side, casting up against the edge to see if I can get on the big bass. So yeah, y'all stick with me, stay tuned. I'm not gonna lie, outside of flathead fishing and actually catching flathead, this is by far my favorite style of fishing, by far. As y'all can see, the view is great. Good view, good vibes. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here by myself, chilling. Just trying to see what I can get on, man. It's super quiet out here. As soon as my phone went off, we got the first one of the day. Nice fat little bass too. Fat one. Hey, so I guess that's a good thing that it looked like these bait fish, because I'm starting to think that's what they eat. Nice little creek bass. He fat, healthy. Let me show y'all. Healthy bass. Perfect for this size creek. Trying to get something a little bigger, but we'll for sure take it. And he bit right off in here. I don't know what's going on with my camera, but I'm gonna try to get as good as footage as I can for y'all. Man, I've been sitting there for the past 15 minutes trying to figure this phone situation out. Oh, big bass just whacked it. I saw him come up and hit it. Let me get back in there. Let me get back in that same. He missed though. I felt him hit it, but he missed. Oh, he hit it again. He hit it twice. Okay. Let me see if I can get him this time. Let me see. There we go. Ah, no. Okay, got it back. Okay. Don't mess this up. I gotta get this bass. Okay. Let me get in there. Come on, I'm folding right now. Hold on, y'all. There we go. Perfect. See if he hit it again. Ah, I set the hook too hard, put it out his mouth. I just gotta get him to hit. The first and second time he hit, it was my fault. I should have set the hook on him. Oh, he hit it. Come on, man. You gotta commit, though. He ain't committing. He for sure can get this little lure down the hatch. There you go. Got him. There we go. There we go, y'all. And you see how he got that lure all the way down in there. Look at that hook. Yeah, he was aggressive. Nice little creek bass. And you could tell they be eating it here. They for sure be eating it here. Pretty bass. And he hit it like 4 or 5 times. I messed up. That was all me. But I finally got him. There you go. Now, let me see if there's some more sitting over there, though. He might not be the only one over there. Hopefully not. That's always good. Oh, there go another one. Ooh. Ooh, it's another one sitting over there. Let me see. Let me see. I missed that one. Okay. Let me get back in there. There's another one sitting over there. Y'all, I broke off on whatever it swam me in. And all I'm using is these H2O flat minnow jig heads. That's all I'm using. Just this right here, 1/8 ounce. The swim bait that I'm using is one of these. It's called the Mayor Crush City. That's all I'm using. And they seem to like it so far. I just had something blow up right there, right behind me. I have so many fish blowing up around me, it's crazy. But let me show you how I'm rigging this up. I'm really just going through here, going straight down, and coming out about right there, and pushing it up just like that. Perfect. And it seemed like they can't resist. These same fish in the same area keep biting the same lure over and over again. I got a cast behind me because something keep blowing up right over here. That was one. 3 more good casts. Ooh, I just got a hit. There we go. There we go. I knew there was another one over there. This is the biggest one of the day so far. I knew there was another one over there. Hold on, quick. Let me let some of this line out. Let some of this line out. I knew it was somewhere over there. I kind of got him in the eye a little bit. He'll be all right. Got the hook out. Look at that, y'all. I knew there was another one over there. This is the biggest one so far. Nice little creek bass. There you go. Where I was. No, don't go too far over there. Okay. Got one. There you go. My phone, and the fish just got off. Y'all saw it though. My phone cut off as soon as I set the damn hook, bro. That's crazy. That is insane, bro. Oh, came off. Did y'all see that? I know y'all saw that. And today, we fishing the same creek, but just a different part. This is what I was telling y'all about, you know what I'm saying? Putting time in on the water, finding where to fish at, relocating, so you can have some better results. Today I'm gonna be fishing with the Shimano Symmetry, and the goal of the day is to catch a fish on this CHOPPO 90. top water. So I hardly ever fish top water, you know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to add some new stuff to my arsenal, add something to my resume, add something to my bag. So yeah, we're gonna be fishing this stretch of water right here. This point right here is where Cypress Creek meets Spring Creek. It's this point right here. So we about to be fishing both sides of that and down this stretch right here. So yeah, I'm about to find a way to get down there. I'm gonna walk all the way down there. And yeah, we just had some blow up right there. But yeah, we about to get to it, man. Y'all stay tuned. And just to show y'all what I be doing, I literally just be on Google Maps or Apple Maps. Just finding places to go. As y'all can see, I'm on the Greenway Trail. I just found this random spot on the creek that I usually fish. I ain't never fished down this stretch, but just trying to find a way to get down to the water, as y'all can see. So it's really easy like that. A lot of people ask, like, oh, where you go fish, where you do this, where you do that. Bro, really, you could just hop on Google Maps, Apple Maps, find you a little stretch you like, and hit it, bro. Just like I'm doing. You see how it's finna open up? I ain't never been down here before, so it's new to me just like it's new to y'all. Or new to y'all just like it's new to me. All right, y'all. We just crossed the creek. Now it's time to get this bad boy in the water. That drag a little too tight. All right. They got our first cast with the CHOPPO. And that action is crazy on it, just how everybody say too. I don't know if y'all can see this. Hopefully y'all can. But watch how many fish follow this lure in. It's like they're all snapping at it when it's coming in. It's like 25 fish. They look like little bluegill though. Just snapping at it. Yeah. Okay. So for now, we're gonna switch this up. We finna switch it up right quick. Oh, he hit it hard too. I missed him. Okay, let me get back in there. He hit it hard. First cast. That's a nice one. Now, he was definitely big enough to take that CHOPPO down. Now, why didn't he? I don't know. Let's see. Definitely big enough to take that CHOPPO down. I guess he just wanted something easy. It's the biggest one of the day so far. Let's get another one. One more cast with it. I'm gonna put a new one on. Do he got it? He got it. He's swimming with it. Mm-hmm. Oh, he came off. Ooh-wee. Got that jerkbait tied on. Let's see if they like this. The action on this is crazy. Ooh, jerkbait fish. There we go. He little, but hey, he count. Don't do it. Don't do it. Try to get these hooks out of him without hooking myself. That's one. That's two. He's super small, but hey, he count. Let's switch it up. All right, back to the black CHOPPO. Let's see if we can get one on this one. Oh, I missed him. Damn. Okay. He missed. I didn't miss him. He missed that time. Oh, okay. I think I saw what that was. I think that's a gar. I think that's why I'm missing. I saw it come up and hit that time. I saw what kind of fish it was, and it was a gar. Yes, CHOPPO fish. Yes. Finally got one on the CHOPPO. Oh, he ain't hooked that good. Let me see. There you go. On the CHOPPO. Boom. First fish on the CHOPPO. It's a nice little creek fish. And he hit the black one. The first time I came through, I was making passes. I was using the shad color, and now this is all black one. So when he hit him, just let him go. Ooh, another one. Very next cast. Very next cast after I just released that fish. Ooh, there's another one chasing it up. There's another one following it. This is spotted. This is spotted bass. So look how good he hit it. Hold on, y'all. Look, he got hooked in the top of his fin and in his mouth. Let me see. I ain't trying to get hooked. Let me see. Get that one out of his fin. I'm gonna need my pliers for this one. Hold on, y'all. And that was the very next cast after I just released that fish. And when I was reeling this one in, it was another one following it up here. So it might be some more over there in that little corner. We finna find out. Nice little creek spotted bass. Right back in that little current. All right, that's gonna conclude today's video. As y'all can see, mission accomplished. I did get my fish on the CHOPPO. You know what I'm saying? I didn't get it in the original spot where I was way down the creek. So I relocated to where I was yesterday. You know what I'm saying? And I had some luck. So yeah, man. If y'all want to see more videos like this, I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, because I will be posting more. And but also comment and let me know what y'all want to see, because I've seen a lot of hogs out here, a lot of coyotes out here. I usually camp in this area as well too. So if y'all want to see a camping vlog, y'all let me know, man. But yeah, I got my CHOPPO fish. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Peace.